As you can see, I got mark right there, daily and a weekly up right here. So that is pretty good. Oh, and actually, and the 3-month. So we go to this 3-month level right here. That was one. So we went in force on the 3-month. It's pretty good for AMD. Let's see what else we got. All right, we got a 2-1-2 reversal here. Inside candle broke down to the downside. On its way to take out this level right here. That's what I love about the STRAT. All right, on its way to take out that level. There was another one on my watch list. We came down. And I liked this because it was that gap. So I figured we either want to fill a gap in this direction or fill a gap in this direction. And as you can see, we came down and filled that gap at 10.64. So it's pretty good. Netflix 1-2-1-2 reversal. As you can see, we had time from continuity to the downside, broke down, took out this level. Possibly come down and take out one of these levels. The weekly is still inside. That's got a ways to go to get outside of this big old range of candle right here. So basically, it might be better that we tell next week if you're going to play this weekly. All right, and Oxy is still inside. Actually seen this when it was something like a hammer. That's the reason I put it on the chart. It wasn't high probability. 3-1. This hasn't went 3-1-2 yet. It has to break. I don't even know why the daily levels here. Let me see. Oh, I think that's why. Yeah, it was a hammer there on P-Tone. But yeah, I will wait for this weekly level to break and then come down. SMH. Well, I figured that would do a 2-2 reversal right here on this daily, right? As you can see, you got a 3-1. I mean, look at the magnitude it got. It literally came and took out this level. Wicked and took out this level right here and came on kind of back down. Which is why I like 3-1s, right? They go 3-1-2 and they got some magnitude. But I mean, you gotta look at this. Boom, pushed up to a hammer. Then the inside candle basically almost went actionable. 2 actionable senators almost went hammer also. And then boom, right? You see it rejected the broad information, popped up, took out this level and took out this level. And that might make its way back down the range, like we might end the day. I don't know. I mean, full time frame continuity is green all the way through. So let's see what else is on options watch list. What's been going on, but other than that, the market has not really been doing a whole lot. Hold on 1 second. All right, cool. Let's go through my little watch list. See what I'm working with. All right, on a daily. So just see what stocks are doing. That's how I run through my watch list. So everyone's like, how you find so many stocks and find them so quickly? I got 150 stocks, 140 stocks right here. And I just run through them. 140, 150 stocks, and I just run through them all real quick. Without even like having to look at too much. I just know what I'm looking for. So I'll run through here. Look at Apple. Apple did a 3-1-2 to the downside. Broke through those levels, ready to take out this level right here. At 180.20, it's at 182. What else we got? We got a 2-2 reversal, maybe on a real. Airbnb 322 to the downside. I'm just going through, see if I can find a trade for today. What's going on? I mean, it's lunchtime right now, so we'll give it about another half an hour. APA. All right. There we go. I mean, Baba's been on one if you noticed it. I mean, look at this. Downside move, boom, boom. Took out some liquidity there, gap down. 3 green J's that did nothing, and then basically hammers, boom, boom. Another big gap down. I mean, Baba is crazy. I mean, BA is crazy. Boeing. I think it comes from that news from that plane. Most planes are like normally Boeing, so yeah, that makes sense. Boeing, so yeah. What else we got going on here? CL. Trying to make sure I can see the. Try to make it a little bigger. What else we got going? Make sure that's what I got out of. I'm just sharing it on some other platforms. And then we'll finish going through my watch list. All right, bye. Big gap down on that daily. So not only am I scrolling through right now to see potential setups for today, but also potential setups for tomorrow. Right, and I'm going down to the lower time frames in a few, but like CCJ right here. You know, we got this big gap up, double inside. And on the day, inside on the weekly. So we inside of this big old. I ain't gonna lie, I mean, just a couple more points and this will be back green on a daily to week everything. So you can end up going the other way on this 2-1-2, maybe tomorrow. Charge point. I'm just scrolling through, seeing what I see. I'll go get ETFs and stuff soon. Calls look like it's at a 2-2 reversal. I can hit a broad information up there. What we got? Interesting. I was on the watch list. All right, 2-1-2 documents our week. I mean, this week hasn't really uncoupled, I guess. I had 2-1-2, basically pushed up. Big energy. Probably take out this level right here. What it's going for. Tapping. Let's see. So I like to look for trades on the higher time frame. As For a little more confirmation, I go to a lower time frame. But if I find something on a daily, I like to go up to the weekly and the monthly and see if it's in force and different things like that. Just something I do in a strategist. If you follow those things, you got a higher chance of being profitable in this game we call trading. Yeah. If you got any tickers or anything you want to see, trading related questions about the STRAT. 2024 has been going pretty good. I ain't had a red day yet. You know what I'm saying? So let's just keep that going. Just keep that. Oh, wait a minute. I got to edit this. Not going out like that. Oh, no. It won't let me edit the title. I really need to edit the title, but okay, well, why won't it let me change it? Why won't it let me change it? Welcome if you come and hit the like button. Oh well, we're just gonna have to be incorrect today because it is not trying to let me change the name of this title. All good. It is what it is. So let's go through these watch lists. 212 on KO. Left. Just scrolling through my watch list here, and I find a setup for the day. Potentially tomorrow. It's definitely it's not much moving out there today. I'll tell you that. Snow here in Baltimore. It's cold as hell. I had to run out there and finish snowing. Okay, look at this Netflix. I think we looked at that. Beautiful 212. Downside, confirm continuity green, and a weakest stove inside. If you got any questions, ask me. For the most part, I'm just on here talking to myself. I hope you're listening. Appreciate it. If you watch this recording later, the links to everything is in a link tree. I pinned it it's in the comment. I don't know if I pinned it, but I put it in the comments. Let me see if I can pin it. I'll pin that message. There you go. So that's in the comments. Pinned. If you want to buy me a coffee, send me $1 to Cash App or whatever. Appreciate it. Ask me any questions. Got any questions about anything trading related? Got any questions about the STRAT? Potentially, I'll just see a few setups for tomorrow. What's QQQ doing? I mean, look at that. It's just, it's not ugly. Ain't that a fall? Boy, you shorted this thing. 2 double inside. Hammer. 1 2 2 2 2 reversal. And look at that. I mean, from the entry probably would have been here. I actually played this the other day when it was going up. Working on building a better setup so I can stream more. Because right now I'm just on my MacBook, and it is not powerful enough. It's MacBook Pro 2020. Intel one, it is not powerful enough. So I'm probably gonna go like a Ryzen 7 or something like that. AMD chip. I'm working on that. I have a full setup. and I'll be able to stream all day, every day. Space actually did what I was looking for it to do. If you look at it, 212 to the downside, actionable signal, double actionable signal, boom, hit PT. Uber's interesting. I like Uber long term though. Yeah, he's pushing back up. It is not much out there today at all. XLE. Not a big TQQ trader, but I think I'm going to get into TQQ and SQQ. Let's see if Bitcoin is doing. It's everybody's favorite. Back on 143, 149 win. 11th rejected. Look at that. You could have shorted that right there off of there. Boom. Came on down. Just sat back up for push back up. If you look at this. See, just making its way through the range. Pretty good. Go to right. I played this thing the other day. Forgot where I entered. I entered right here on the 15. Right. Let's see if we can see it on the hour. This is where I entered that the other day. Right there, right here on this 2 up. Look for it to break oil. Came down. Boom. I entered and I rode just all the way down. 1,000%. It's crazy. Around 11. Actually, today it hit. At 9:30 it hit under 11. It's crazy. VS. Victoria's Secret. Let's see what SPY is doing. I didn't chart SPY, but I just be leaving lines there. Just be leaving lines there on SPY, but I know what I'm looking at. There you go. You had a 212. Could have entered there. 15. I wasn't in front of the screens, but hold on. Sorry, I had a phone call. Oh, but like I was saying, that could have been your entry. 15 minutes for a quick scout. Let me see. Yeah. Inside week, so it's probably gonna be a little annoying. You can see right here. You just chop around, be annoying. So you're gonna have to find some trades on these regular low time frames, quick in and out. I'm just looking at stuff. Oh my goodness. Look at this daily candle on save. Good. Yo, today, look at this. From $15 to $5 on save. That is insane. What news came out about this? Jesus. My goodness. Jesus. I just gotta share this in the Discord I'm in. Man. You're down 60%. I don't even. That was just a straight sell off. Look at that. 1-3. Jesus. Let me go look at these options on it. I just want to see what they went to. Good God. Mm-mm. Is it halted? Let me see. It might be halted. Let me see. Yeah, shade is halted. What news came out? Good God. Regular stock split. 1-40. Good Lord. I'm just watching. I want to see when it's unholds what it do. Hold it. Trying to see the news on save. See what happened. It is halted. What did the feed say? What happened? For the news. That move. The sale got blocked. Okay, it's back over. So they was gonna merge with JetBlue, and the judge just blocked it. So that's what happened with that. That is crazy. Honestly, you could take a scalp off this stuff. Looking at this, yeah, it's gonna get brought right back up. Take an entry. We'll take entry at right now. See what happens. Might get a little pushback up. Might actually just buy some a hold for a long time. I'm not even pressed to get out. I took an entry. I got in at 630, 670 now, up 8%. I'm save. I'm up 9%. Oh, we might fill a gap. Like 11%. 630 to 7. Look at that. So half. 701. And it's halted again. I went outside to shovel snow. Now I'm coughing like crazy. Judge Housing was saying proposal deal will reduce competition. I mean, they sold this thing off. Open my iPad real quick. Sorry for the noise. I might fix up everything. There we go. Look at that. It's back open. %. Trying to fill a small gap on the 5 minute. See what we get. Up 11%. What are they gonna do? The one thing, whoever was short save got paid today. Mute up for a sec. Scalping some XPX. 477 for 47.75 goals. Up 10%, 14%, 15%. Sell some. So 75 here. There we go. 23%, 26%, 30%. Yeah. 40%. 40% of XPXs. So another 15. Yes, sir. 35% on those. Still have 6% on those save. We got going on here. Let's see what save is doing. All right, I'm up 29% on XPX. I don't even really trade the 5-minute chart, but ain't nothing really moving heavy. So I'm just scalping some things. I might reject here. See if we get a push up. I'll get out all of them. You know what? All right. Let's see what save is doing. I'm in save with shares. And let me just teeter-tottering around. I'm gonna just get out of all of those SPXs. All right, 10% again on save. Not a bad little trade. Not a bad little trade for shares. That news wrecked it, but I mean, if you think about it, what's the low on it? I mean, it's the lowest it's ever been. So, I mean, you want some cheap shares long term. I mean, let's get back here. 5-minute chart. 13%. 15%. You know, it's all green again. 15, 30 hour. 4 hour all inside. Let's go save. 14% on save. It's trying. I mean, it's recovered almost $2. Just gotta give it some time. Can't panic. Ain't gonna stay down here forever. Yeah. I got in at 6:30. It's at 7:20. Can't beat that. It's a nice little move. That's for a stock that sold off the way it did. I'm not even streaming on Twitch. I should have. Listen to this streamer, Kid Keely, on Twitch. That might be what you hear in the background. He's a trader too. Amazing trader. Which I guess keeps me grounded a little bit. Too loud. I am aware. Sheep is certainly relative. But for devices in the same sector as the rabbit. Technical analysis, I guess that would be a little bear flag. Right. There you go. Technical analysis, boys. Boom. Yeah, bro, 20,000. Like, I wonder if they're able to fulfill that. Because they said 20,000 sales. Crazy. They said they were only expecting 500. What? There you go. There's your flag. Pinned it. There we go. Pinned it. What other drawing tool I got over here? People talking about PayPal. What's going on with PayPal? Nothing. Right now I'm on save. All right, so what I did today was I played a little reversal one for save. As you can see on this daily, we sold off stupid hard, came down to 580. Now we push back up 707. Come on, save. Push it. Using technical analysis, we're basing at this level. So let's see what we get. The reason I took this trade, it wasn't a strat setup. It wasn't nothing. I just seen it sell off, and I normally, with my time in the market over the years, I've noticed when things sell off hard like that, like overreaction, and you normally get some buying up. And the reason people buy it up is because it's just so cheap. right? I mean, you come down here, basically start to reverse, and you just can catch a reversal. I think I got in at 6:30, right? I got in about here, and look, pushed up the head, came back, and it's pushing back up. So I'm at 15%. I mean, the reason I took this is basically just off of knowledge of the market and how things normally move. It wasn't necessarily a technical setup or a strat setup. Just, I guess you could say, basically just price action and knowledge of the market. So I was able to catch a good 15%. I sold half my position at 15%. And I'm just seeing, well, probably a little over that, about 20%. But now I'm just seeing what else we get. I don't think we come down anymore. If anything, we're just going to kind of base at this level. And I'm willing to actually hold some of these shares for a while because I definitely believe we'll start to push back up at some point as more news comes out about save over time. I mean, it's an airline company, so it ain't the worst company in the world. I mean, they make money because they charge you for everything. So I mean, getting it at this price, you got to think they never been down this low, and over time they pushed all the way up to like $25. As you can see, it sold off from 15, 16. So I ain't got no problem just buying something and leaving it for my long term hold. So that's why I took a position in it. And if it do come down, I may just add more over time. But I mean, it's an airline. It's one or two things are gonna happen at some point. Either they're gonna end up merging and the deal's gonna go through, or they're just gonna continue to be the company that they are, and yeah, continue to slowly grind back up. One thing about prices got memory, so if you got a little extra cash, it's not a bad position to buy some. Maybe not today, or maybe today. I mean, $7 can't beat it. You can get in. I mean, you got things you get a push to $8, $9, or maybe $10 if you're all right. What is SPY doing? Let me save. See what's going on. So I took a trade on save off the reversal, off this big old sell-off. Just coming in, and sold half of my position here. I'm just saying waiting. So I'm willing to hold this position for a while. Sold all the way down to 582 today. I got in at 630, at 725. Got some consolidation. So let's see if we continue up. And let's see if we at least come to fill this gap right here, right? So I'm looking for. Let's fill this little gap maybe. I'm going to fly through the first target. See if we come and take out this high again. Right. Possibility. I'm currently up 14%. Now this ain't really a strat setup. This ain't nothing. This is just purely all knowledge of the market, and I feel like it was an overreaction with all the sell-offs. Got halted twice. Sold off. It was down 60%. Now it's down 51%. It's just another strategy to have in your playbook. You know, when you catch big sell-offs like this, you don't need to get some type of relief bounce just because of the fact that it sells off, and people like me just be waiting for the reversal and we start to buy it up. And it, it's down there. It was so cheap. I would say 582 for a stock that was at $16, and it sold off of news that the judge blocked the merger with JetBlue, saying that they would lessen competition. Which I mean, it's another. I don't really understand what the point of that is. Or that was from the Justice Department, but I guess they saying there wouldn't be enough airlines and we have less competition with airlines and less choices. But at the end of the day, say with your Spirit Airlines, I mean, they make money because their business model is just sell cheap tickets and then charge on everything else. So, I mean, they get money for bags, for snacks. I mean, Spirit Airline almost charge you for water. So, I mean, like I said, I ain't got a problem holding this long term. It came in at such a cheap price. I mean, you can't really beat it for a stock that made it all the way to $25. So, I see it getting back to, 10, 8, then 10, somewhere around there. And at some point, filling that gap, I don't care how long I hold this at airline. It's not like a horrible, horrible stock to own. So, and right now, I'm green 15%. So, I don't play shares too often, but, if I catch something, or I see a setup, I'll take it. If you're just coming in, hit the like button for me. I'm just a small YouTuber. Look at that pop. We up 17%. Let's see if we take out this level and then maybe this level. I don't know if we get to $8 today, but yeah. I mean, from $5 to $7, I mean, can't beat that. FYI, if you're using a small account, and you probably only play options because you can't play shares. Well, you can play shares, but on cash accounts, it takes 2 days for your money to settle. So you really be like hesitant on taking shares. In May, I believe it's May, they will be shares will also settle in 24 hours like options do. So now you have the choice of playing options or shares on cash account, which means it allow you to be able to like take a position like this, full port, sell the same day trade it, and then, re-up your money. So yeah, I think I took a small position in this. I think I took maybe like a $3,000 position, and I'm up 280 something dollars right now. So with that being said, you can take a little less risk off you, with being able to trade shares and being able to use your money again the next day if you're using a cash account, because most people have options use cash accounts. So that's how you get around the PDT rule. So yeah, it's just something to keep in mind. So in a few months, we'll be able to do that. So keep that in mind. You can look it up. Just type that in. Equity settling in T plus 1 day. So I mean, that's a good thing the SEC finally did. One step closer to getting rid of PDT. I think they need to get rid of that altogether, where you can trade on margin with any amount. But I think that's got to go through Congress. And look at that, we are at 750. All right, let's see if we take out this high. If you got any questions, ask it in the chat. What did we get here? What did we get here? I'm getting off for a few. Appreciate you coming on. Please hit the Cash App. Please hit the like button if you are reviewing this live stream. I'm probably making a lot of noise. What up, what up, what up? I took a little scalp off this reversal off a save. Got in at 630, now we at 750. Sold off hard on news. So I decided, so you know what, people gonna at least buy this up a little bit at this cheap price. It's down 60%, now we down 50%. So yep. So I entered this trade about here. Let's see if I can. Turn my magnet off for a sec. I entered about here. There's my entry. I entered there. So let me get that was my entry. So 6.30 was my entry. Right now I'm up 15%. Well, yeah. I appreciate the comment, whoever you are. If you in here, hit the like button. Appreciate it. Let me change the color of this too. Make this dotted line. It will make it pink. That's my entry. So yeah, we had this stupid hard sell off. Boom. Right. I normally play options. And if the title is misspelled, it won't let me change it. I made a typo. Big whoop, who cares? But yeah, we got the sell off. Came down to 580. It's in a reversal. Hopped in at 630. Purely on news, no real technicals. Like I was saying, I just know when Something normally sells off hard. We get a little buy up. As you can see, for you technical analysis boys, a little pendant and boom. So that's the reason I took this trade. So yeah, that's my reason. See what SPY is doing. I ain't streamed in a while, so I decided to hop on. Once I get a better setup, I'll probably have less noise. WM was on my watch list today. $313 on Google. Ain't doing much of nothing. Right, he came down. Space did exactly what I want. Yeah, 212 inside candle, actionable signal, something like a hammer. Broke this entry level. Hit PT1, PT2. Stand right there, saying if we're gonna hit PT3, so which will be down there. DTLO ain't doing much. Firm ain't doing much. AMD 212 inside candle, gapped up, broke over the 3-month up. If you can see it right there, boom, pushed up, rejected this monthly broad information, almost hit the target. But we almost hit 160. High today is 159.72. That was on my watch list. AMD, Amazon, sorry, AMZN, 212, broke down, tried to push up, broke down, broke my entry, hit PT1. And on our way, looking like to push down to take out that target there. Hood, not doing much of nothing. Netflix, 212, inside candle. You know, if an inside candle is consolidation, boom, open the day up, broke our entry, took out PT1, and we see if we can come down here, but we most likely will reject at that Brogdon formation. Boom, there you go. Oxy, 2 up, 2 down, took out that target there. Piton, not doing much of nothing. And SMH, 312, pushed up, took out these highs, rejected his Brogdon formation, just sitting there. So, things on my watch list kind of did what it was supposed to do. Let's go back to save, see what it's doing. On a 5-minute chart. I don't know much about Fortnite. Actually, I'm in the middle of building a gaming computer, right? So I'm probably gonna go with a Ryzen 7 or Ryzen 9. And I'll probably get into a little bit of gaming because I need something to do while I wait for these stocks to do what I need them to do. So, but no, bro, these are stocks that I'm trading. But if you if you want to teach me some stuff about gaming, I'll teach you some stuff about stocks. So hit my link tree in the link and DM me on Instagram or Telegram. Yeah. I want to play GTA. That's really it. Like, really, I'm building this computer because I'm waiting for that GTA 6 to come out. I think it's what they're talking about. It's supposed to be like a whole year, so I really got time. But I'm going to build this computer just so I can stream better and everything. I'm on a MacBook, and it ain't powerful enough to be streaming, trading stocks, and gaming. So yeah. No. I ain't really getting into gaming yet. But I think I'm ready to because I ain't got nothing else to do. Like I'm sitting here like watching paint dry, looking at these stocks. So help me out. DM me. Hit the link tree, and it's got all my things to get into. Yeah. Well, I use Webull and Think to Swim. If you hit that link tree, you can sign up for Webull if you want to trade stocks. Help me out. We can help each other out. Just DM me. I send you all the links, and then you send me all the info I need to build this computer. I know how to build a computer. I just a little bit out of touch on a lot of the new things. Like I see Nvidia's got the new Super coming out with GPUs, and I ain't trying to build like a $4,000 or $5,000 system, but I'd like to build something that's kind of future proof. You know, DDR5, AM5, and have a nice graphic card. So yeah, like help me out. You know what I mean? Tell me, really kind of tell me what to get. That way I don't overspend or don't don't get some things I don't need. You know what I'm saying? So, and I help you out with trading because I can teach you how to trade the strat. If you trade forex, the strategy I use, you can use it for anything, crypto, forex, everything. I got like the easiest strategy in the world. It's called the STRAT by Rob Smith. So I help you out. You help me out, I help you out. We'll get on Zoom or something one of these days. I run over my strategy. It might help you out. 'Cause once I discovered this strategy, like my whole trading changed. So good looking, y'all. I appreciate that. But yeah, I'm just a small YouTuber. I ain't no big old YouTuber. I ain't no money grifter, nothing like that. I'm just new to this and just enjoying what I do. So I get on here and stream. As you can see, it's probably like 1 or 2 people on here. But I help out the people I help out. So yeah. Yeah, I appreciate that. And thanks for stopping by. Hit the like button for me if you get a chance so I can kind of start to get into the algorithm. I got like 300 and something subscribers now. I'd like to get to 500 and slowly keep growing this thing. So, but back to the stats. I'm trading. What do you trade on Forex? What's your go to? And as you can see, we hit this PT that I was looking for right here. Look at that. 764. Right. 764. You can see that. Let me see if I can make it bigger. Look at that. Boom. Wicked over and hit that PT I was looking for. So that's what I mean by my little reversal strategy when things sell off, right? We sold down, we pushed back up, and boom, we pushed on out. So okay. Yeah, MetaTrader is cool. Well, you definitely can trade on MetaTrader, but do you use TradingView for your charts, or are you just trading off MetaTrader charts? Because TradingView has forex and everything. How you like that Ryzen 9? They say it's like one of the fastest processors for gaming right now. What GPU you using, if you don't mind telling? I see AMD supposed to be coming out with that 8000 series 2G. Look at that. 770. 770 on save. Okay, paired it with the 470. Okay. So if I get a Ryzen 9, I'll be able to like stream and game and all of that, and really be able to like multitask and stuff like that. Without it like, slowing down and all of that. All right, cool. Yeah, we're gonna talk. Yeah, make sure you DM me. Uh, what's your IG name, if you don't mind putting it in there? If you can put it in there, that way I know it's you. Or just put like the first part of your IG name, that way I know it's you. But we got 771 on save. So I'm at let me check my position. All right, 22%. Can't beat that. 22% on save from that sell-off. It's pretty good. Looks like we're going for that gap fill. All right, 774. 775. 775 off that. Can't beat that. Oh, look at us. And we almost in the gap. Bam. 804. $26%. We hit $8 that quick. Look at that. Look at that. Filled the gap I was looking for. Sell some of my position here. Half. %. Oh, we rocking, baby. the center of that going down. Well, I'm going to end this stream here. Please hit that like button if you're watching this stream. Please hit the like button if you're watching this stream. You're right. Well, thanks for watching. I'll probably be back on tomorrow, honestly. I'm going to try to start streaming more consistently. Listen, subscribe, hit that like button. Please give me an algorithm. Give me some more followers. Tip me, hit the Cash App. Trying to build a better streaming system so I can stream better, right? Without lagging and all the craziness. Buy me a coffee. It's freezing here in Maryland, in Baltimore. Appreciate it. Just $1. Whatever. But yeah, I'm accepting everything. Hit the Cash App. Appreciate you. Thank you. And yeah, I'm out. It's a beautiful trade on save. Once again, I entered at 6:30. And yeah, we got our way up to $8 and some change. So $8.20-something. So yeah, can't beat it. Listen, I'm out. Appreciate you for coming, pulling up. Please pull up to the stream again. Please like and subscribe. I may come back on later for in a half hour or so, maybe for power hour. We'll see. But yeah, I'm out. Appreciate it. Or so, maybe for power hour. We'll see. But yeah, I'm out. Appreciate it.